Today I want to show you how you can very easily create room tones using Concept. To demonstrate this, we're going to design the room tone for this rather simple hospital scene set in some sort of theater, essentially. You have the surgeons, and in terms of room tone, I'm imagining some sort of fan noise and air conditioning unit and potentially some beeping machines and all sorts of heart monitoring systems and things like that. To do this, I've used 3 instances of Concept, and I'm going to walk you through each one of them. So the first thing that I designed for the scene was the heart monitoring machine that we can imagine being here in the background for this hospital scene. To do any sort of beep sound, you can simply set the oscillator all the way to the left and pick a sine wave type of waveform, and then you can tweak the attack and decay so you get something very plucky, like I did here. You can tweak the cutoff a tiny bit to shave off a little bit of the very top end, and I've added a tiny bit of reverb. I looked up on YouTube a video of an heart monitoring device, and that one seems to be a C#5 as a note. I don't know if this is the standard for all heart monitoring devices, but that one was at that pitch, and this is the pitch that I used for my scene, and here's how it sounds in context. Once I designed the beep sound for the heart monitoring device, I wanted like a basic room tone, which I found in one of the many factory presets that Concept 2 ships with. In ambiences, there is some more experimental stuff, but if you go on room tone, there are 4 just very usable basic room tone, and mid-room background seem to do the trick for me. And here's how it sounds. And then just to add another layer, I wanted to use Concept Granular Engine, which is really great to import your own samples in. I did a tiny bit of field recording in my studio room. I have a dehumidifier with a fan, which also makes a beep when you turn it on and then switch it off. I imported it, and you can clearly see here in the waveform there is a 1 beep here and 1 beep there. And I've just tweaked the spray, density, flux, and drift knobs so that it sort of randomly triggers the sample at different points, and sometimes hits the beep, which is good because it's potentially some other machines that might be in the room, and it just adds another layer of detail, I think. And now let's have a listen to the final result. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and visit krotosaudio.com for more exciting content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.